Okay, Thanksgiving's over and my garage is still kind of a hangout spot after we kind of turned it into like a little vibey man cave place. But what you see behind the TV right now, I kind of want to turn into a more of a showcase looking kind of corner. So I'm just gonna start right now. Here we go. Prepped and ready. I'm gonna go grab the paint from upstairs and we're gonna trim this thing out and paint it. I think pretty much finished the kind of paint area where I'm gonna get all the black on it and so on. I think it looks pretty good up there. I might trim out the window here with some pallet boards too. Let's get this bad boy off of here. Ooh, that's satisfying. Made my first cut. We are gonna throw this on the wall. Yeah, first row is done, and I'm gonna put the power strips back on so that I got power in the right spots. I think I'm going to trim the pallet boards so that they're nice and even and they lay against each other really well. Not too many gaps in between the boards. But other than that, I think we're off to a good start. I kind of like the black. I'm digging it.